Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 dovetail jigs. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Woodworking Dovetail Machine. Specifications: processing width 300 maximum processing wood thickness 832 weight 10 kg, packing size 45 x 30 x 18 cm, template specification inch, half an inch, 12.7 milling cutter specifications inch, half an inch, 7/16, 9/16. The item number 2 is 12 inches woodworking dovetail machine. Specifications: size 450, length 270, width 150, height available board width 300 machinable board thickness 8 to 32 template specification 12.7 file specification half, net weight / gross weight 7.5 kg. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 300mm / 12 woodworking dovetail machine. Specifications: product number FC3041, name 12-inch dovetail machine, size 45 x 27 15 cm, processing board width 30 to 300 mm, processing board thickness 13 to 32 mm, maximum tenoning depth 12.7 mm, minimum tenoning depth 10 mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.